Hello, friends. Welcome to Psychiatry Education Forum Academy's new update. And I am Dr. Harvinder Singh, the creator for Psychiatry Education Forum. So we have a new update where FDA has approved this once daily treatment option for tardive dyskinesia, and the medication is Austedo XR. So this is not a new medication. It's deutetrabenazine. So we already have an immediate release formulation, not an extended release formulation. So extended release formulation just received this FDA approval. But before I talk about this, we all know that this is a class of VMAT2 inhibitors. And currently, we have three VMAT2 inhibitors ranging from tetrabenazine to deutetrabenazine, which Austedo is, and valbenazine. But before I talk about this, I just want to emphasize that we have no financial conflicts or disclosures. We have no ties to this pharmaceutical company, Teva Pharmaceuticals, or with any other pharmaceutical companies for that matter. So let's start. So on May 29, 2024, Teva Pharmaceutical announced that FDA has approved this one pill, once daily treatment option for tardive dyskinesia. Now, I think this is relevant because um, the medications which causes tardive dyskinesia are used for many purposes. The most common purpose is for schizophrenia. And we know patients who have severe schizophrenia or severe mental illness, compliance is the most important and can be difficult part as well. So if a patient is on antipsychotic and you're giving them this medication for tardive dyskinesia, and that medicine needs to be taken once a day, twice a day, thrice a day, many pills twice a day, it becomes problematic, right? It makes sense. So for that reason, I feel XR formulation, once a day formulation is a good step forward. Now, but let's spend some time understanding these dosing for this Austedo XR. So before that, we need to know the immediate release formulation, which is available for a few years now. It comes in three dosing. It's a tablet, not a capsule. So it comes in three dosing, 6, 9, and 12. And in few minutes, you will understand why XR is important here. So this XR formulation comes in 6, 12, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48. Now, let's understand how the dosing needs to be done for therapeutic purposes for tardive dyskinesia. So for IR formulation, you start with twice daily dosing. BID is twice daily, 6 milligram twice a day. Starting dose is total of 12 milligram a day. And that can be accomplished with XR 12 milligram once daily dosing. So that's a good start. And then you can titrate this on a weekly basis by 6 milligram per week. But before I go to the max dosing of this medicine, there is an important differentiation between immediate release and extended release, which is the need to be taken with food. This only applies to immediate release, not to the XR Austedo. And the reason is they found for immediate release one, if that is taken with food, I think Cmax increases by 50%. So food is needed. And they have very specifically mentioned that, but not for XR. Now, the max dose for these medication is, for both, it's 48 milligram. Now let me show you that dosage availability. Now look at this. If max is 48 for both and max available for immediate release is 12, you will need 4 tablets of that. So 2 tablets twice a day. But you can accomplish that with just one of that. But the max dose is low for patients who are poor metabolizer for cytochrome 2d6, and it also applies to patients who are on strong 2d6 inhibitors. In that case, the max dose is lower, 36, but still to reach 36 you will need 312 milligram, but here you can achieve that with one tablet again. Now, based on this information provided by Teva Pharmaceuticals, the response can be seen as early as 2 weeks in patients with tardive dyskinesia. And it's also, as you all know, it's approved for Huntington disease chorea. So, good data there so far. Now, with this VMAT2 inhibitors, I will be doing a live session for our Academy members tomorrow, which is June 2, which is Sunday at 4 p.m. PST. Please convert this to your timing. And this is for our Academy members. Please join me where I will compare these VMAT2 inhibitors, which is tetrabenazine, deutetrabenazine, and valbenazine. And I will send all this information to our Academy members soon. But here is one of the slide from this presentation. So we talked about this. Deutetrabenazine is what we just talked about, the XR formulation, which got FDA approval. And I have actually made the pills. So you can see for tetrabenazine, the number of pill is more. Valbenazine is good still with just one capsule. And but in this lecture, I will talk about not only dosing, but many other comparison ranging from the available dosing, the titration, drug interaction, side effects, hepatic impairment, and other use with special populations, and many more. So I will recommend, if you're interested, please consider joining our Psychiatry Education Forum Academy. But I hope this short video was of clinical relevance. But thanks again for listening to me. I will see you all in our next video discussion. Till then, you all take care and bye for now. Thank you.